Right, this is just a quick walk around on my 3rd gen 4runner. This is a 1997. Got this bull bar from Amazon along with some Pia LED fog lights. Painted this part black as the chrome was just not really vibing with me. It's got LED hyper white headlights, H4. These are Vision rims with Pathfinder all-terrain tires, 265/75/16. I got the Weston bull bar, Nerf bar side step, also from Amazon. I'm gonna be posting links on everything that I have put on this car. Bull bar, fog lights, Nerf bar. Truck came with a roof rack. It did not come with a full-size spare, so I did have to get one. Spare doesn't fit where the spare is supposed to go, so put it up on the roof. Plus I think it looks a lot better up there anyway. 1997, I've got 296,000 miles. Over here in the back, using it as my my work truck, temporary work truck. Plastic containers, closet, tool bag, and stuff. Got this 4runner from my buddy. I was waiting for it for a few years. Interior is super clean. Paper towel, toilet paper, just in case I go to a job and I do need toilet paper or paper towel. 296,000 miles. Switch for the fog light. It's got WeatherTech mats. Inside is pretty clean. My 70 dash cam, Broadway mirror, and for the most part that's it on the interior. I just got done doing the hood and engine bay detail. It's got the spiker hood strut kit. Just cleaned the underside of the hood. These are the spiker hood struts, and that's what I've got going on under the hood. It was fairly dirty. Took me about 4 hours to clean everything. 2 different sessions. And yeah, that is my 1997 4runner. Been working on the car for about a month and a half. Beautiful day here in Las Vegas. Figured I'd get that in the scenery. Yeah, all the links are gonna be up on the description. Thanks for watching.